Hi everyone, my name is Goodness Obara and I welcome you all to this AI picture editing masterclass. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can generate beautiful and stunning AI images just like this one, right? So these kind of images, I believe you've seen this kind of images, and sometimes you can even hardly tell which one is AI or not, and it's so amazing, like it's cool. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. All right, so the app we're going to be using is Remini, right? So this is the one, this one here, this red one, because there are different Reminis, so that you won't go and download another one and you start having issues. So just go over to your Play Store and type in Remini. Make sure this is the one you are going to download. So I've already downloaded it and I don't want to update. All right, so I've opened the app and it's loading. So I'm going to walk you through the same way you are going to, like, the first thing you're going to see when you installed it, because I cleared the app data so that you can see, so I can walk you through the steps you can take, right? So we are going to be on the same page. So this is it. When you open it, you'll be asked to get started. So just click on get started. It asks you what brings you to Remini, what do you want to do. So just select what you want to do. Okay, accept. All right, so you can move the slide, as these are just walk through, or you can just go to next. They're just showing you what you can do on this app. Next. All right, so try it your photos, so you can give access to your photos. Let's click on give access to your photos, so it can now access the photos on your phone. So just allow. All right, so now this app is not a free app, right? So you need to subscribe, you need to pay for it. So but they have two bundles. They have one of 1,450 naira or 1,500 naira, and this one of 3,380 naira. So I am already subscribed in the one of 1,500 naira. So I'm just going to click on continue. Another hint, like, just pay attention, because some people get scared. Okay, once they get to this point, be like, oh, this is a paid app and I can't do this. But the beautiful thing is that they offer, when you download the app, like as a new user, they give you access, like you have a free subscription. You can generate images for free for a week, but you need to put in your card details, right? You need to put in your card details. So I would advise you put in a card that you don't have much money or you're not using. But if you don't have any card like that, what I do is I set a reminder, like 2 days to the day my subscription is going to end. I set a reminder for myself, and I'll just go and unsubscribe, right? But the money is not much. If you want to continue with the subscription, you can then leave it. So let's click on continue. So assuming I want to subscribe for this one, okay, this one is even 4,950. I'll click on continue. Then I already have my card here, my MasterCard, like I've already put in my details. So whenever I want to do an online subscription, it comes up automatically. So for you, you might need to put it in, and then I think MasterCard and Verve works. So I don't know the card you want to put, but MasterCard and Verve works. So if I click on subscribe. So when you've subscribed and you want to unsubscribe, just come over to your Play Store, go to your profile, you look for payment and subscription, then check for subscriptions. So you can see I have an active subscription for Remini, so I'm currently subscribed, and these are different subscription I've made in the past. I remember when I made this LinkedIn, this one almost, like, they almost collected my money, and LinkedIn Premium is about 43,000. Like I almost cried. So, but you need to be sure. Like as I said, getting a card that you don't have plenty money or you don't have money at all, and then you can set a reminder when the time is getting closer so that you can get a notification. Come over here and remove. So let's go back to the app. So now I'm not going to subscribe. I'm going to just click on this remove here. So this is the app. So when you have subscribed, you can continue from here. All right, so you see the first icon here. You can enhance. Like enhance is just like normal editing of picture. I don't even like it, but you can try it out. That's not what we want to do here. The second one is AI photos, and that is what we want, right? So click on let's do it. All right, okay. So now just listen carefully. You'd see this, it said no photo yet, and you're asked to pick a model image. So when you click on this plus icon, it will bring out list of models that we can choose from, right? You see these doctors, see like these are different models. But I'm going to be showing you the ones that give very good images, right? So it's still loading. And another thing, this app requires data, right? So you need to have enough data while using it. So it's loading. All right, so it has loaded all of them, like all the models have been updated. So, and this is the very last. And if you notice, I am on female because I believe you'll be given an option to choose gender. So I chose female because the picture I want to generate is for a female. So that's why I am here. All right, so let me show you the avatars that give good. This first one does. So this pregnant woman does. If I have saved the number, you see my status, you would notice that I use this. This is the one I used for my picture. I wanted to see how I would be when I have a big tummy, right? So that's one. Then this one, yeah, this one here does too. It generates beautiful avatars, beautiful images. This black one here does too. This one sometimes does. But the thing is that you need to check it out, right? Like you check, like they're all here. Check it out before your subscription expires or before the free subscription, because you get a free subscription first before you start making payments. So you can check it out before the 1 week expires. And yeah, this one here does too. Okay, the red gown, yeah, I also posted where, yeah, this one I used, this red gown. So for those of you that have been asking me, is this here? Like, because there are plenty and you need to really go through it to check for the ones that generate good images, right? So yeah, you can check it out. So okay, this one here too does, this one to generate beautiful image. So let me just pick one and let's get started. Let me start with this. Let me select this. So I'm going to click on use this model image. Okay, so it's automatically uploading the model that I used. So the last model that I chose, that's what it is using for me, and I don't want that, right? So what I'm going to do now, come over this setting, because the last images you uploaded, if you come back, that's where it's going to start, right? So I don't want that. I'm just going to click on this setting icon, click on retrain AI model. I can click on it again and again, so that's okay. So now it's asking me, are you sure I want to delete? Yes, I want to delete the model. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. So it asks you what you want to choose. The gender I want to choose, I want a female, then continue. So upload itself, right? So it says you should select images that are okay. So, and the thing is, you can't just come and upload any kind of picture, right? You can't upload a blurred picture or a picture that is not clear enough and you expect good qualities. No, it's not going to work. So you need to upload pictures that your face is very clear enough, like that has enough light, that shows the real you, so that it would use that to work. All right, so because this is artificial intelligence, so it's what you give it, that's what it will work with. So let's click on okay, got it. So now I am on my image. So they said to select 8 images. I'm going to be using these images here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, this is not complete, but this is another trick. When I want to get a like an exact image that looks very similar to maybe one of my particular image, what I do is that I select that same image multiple times, right? And they said we should upload 4, so I'll just choose 2 of my images, upload the first one 4 times, then second one 4 times, and it would give me similar to what I want. Do you get? But now you ask, how am I going to do this? When you open it, they will give you option here where you can find your images automatically, or you can go to open gallery. So it will take you to your own phone gallery. You can also select from there, right? You can also select images from there. So you can select that particular image twice. I think this image is on WhatsApp. So you can see those images here again. You can select that particular image twice. You see, it appeared twice. Then another way you can do this, what I do is on my own phone gallery, I try to crop that particular image, not like cropping everything, just a little part, and save it so that it would save as another image. Because if you don't do that, I want to select that particular image, this app will not allow you. So it will detect that one you've cropped, like just crop an edge, like a little part of the picture, right? So it will detect it as another image, but it is still that image. I don't know if I'm making sense. So like I'm just giving you hints on how I go about that, because it's garbage in, garbage out. Is what you give it, that's what you receive. But nevertheless, when you select multiple images of yourself that you are sure, that does not mean that it will not give you images of yourself. It will do. I'm just playing around, and I think that works for me. So with that said, let's continue. So I'll click on continue. All right, continue. Okay, it took us here again. Remember the first time it just took us here because it was working with the last model I chose. So let me go back and select. Yeah, this is the model I chose. Yeah, let's use this model image. So it's uploading the images. Another thing, guys, for the first time you are using this app, it takes time. When they've generated the images and you want to save, just slide back to this part, it will save. Got it? But if you don't want it, slide left, it will delete immediately. Got it? So now, as I was saying, if you come here for the first time to upload your image, it takes time. You see, it's taking like 6 minutes, which is which is a lot, right? So you need to be patient with it and allow it to do as well, because you're trying to get the right information and all that. But for the next time you're going to do that, it will be in seconds, because it has already gotten what it wants. So we're going to wait for this, and I'm going to pause this video and come back when we are done. Right, so we are here. So this is it. This is our AI generated image, right? So this is how beautiful this is. So if you want it, as I said, you can come over, you can slide to the right. If you don't want this image, you slide to the left. But I want this. Wow, beautiful. I want this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I want this. I want this. I don't want this. All right, so this is how it's done. If you want to generate again using this AI model, you can click on generate more. If you want to change model, but I want to change model now, let's see another model. If you want to change model, just click on model, and your images are already selected. You don't need to select them again, just you need to change model, generate again, and until you are done with that particular image, you can now upload new sets of image. So I'm going to be using this beautiful black lady here. And another thing, I like using this particular avatar, right? Because it's the one that gives that high resolution skin texture. This is it. Those ones I've been uploading. This is the one that really gives it, like it's it blows my mind. Like, if you don't want to go to studio, you can just use this to generate beautiful professional pictures that is as if you snapped in the studio. So now, as I said, this is taking seconds. Remember, the first one took about 6 minutes, but this is will be in seconds because this is the next time. It's already mastered the pictures you've sent, so you're just going to generate. But I'm still going to pause this and come back when we are done. So yeah, this is where we are. So this is the first one. I don't really like this. I like this. I like this. I don't like this. So but before you continue, notice that this image has watermark, right? It has watermark down here. You can see this remaining watermark. All right. Some people used to crop that out, but I found a way you can just remove this watermark without cropping it. You don't need to crop out because there's some pictures that the watermark might be almost close to the neck or like close to the face, and you really love that picture. You just need to discard because you can't crop the face. You don't need to do that anymore. I'm going to show you in the next video an AI site where you can use to remove AI watermarks. Is that not making sense? All right, so I'm going to show you that in the next video. So just go ahead and save all the beautiful pictures that you want. All right, I don't want this. All right, so if you want to generate this again, it would help. It would be better, right? Because the ones you discarded, okay, it would be like you don't like this. It will use the ones you like to generate similar ones, because it's an AI. It's intelligent and it's what you give it. It would use to work. That is it for this video. I believe you've learned how to create the magical AI pictures you are seeing online. So this is it. It's very simple, and let me see what you created and let's keep creating. I will see you in the next video.